Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn long socks into short socks fast. These will be easy steps in a simplistic tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video is as follows: how to turn long socks into short socks fast and super easily and quickly. These will be easy steps in a simplistic tutorial. And one more time, just for fun, I'm going to say that title one last time. How to turn long socks into short socks fast. Easy steps in a very simple tutorial. Let's get into this. Believe it or not, these socks right here that you see that are short socks are actually long socks. Check this out. So I'm going to actually pull them up all the way that they were before, and I'm going to show you how to turn them into short socks really easily. Now, there are two methods. I'll show you the easiest method first, and I'll show you the harder method. The harder method is a little bit more effective and a bit better for the long term. But if you're wearing them just for a very short period of time, you can probably get away with the easy method. So the easy method, I'm speaking too fast. The easy method is basically you take the long sock and you bring it down and you're going to roll it as if you're taking off your sock the wrong way, like you're rolling it in reverse. So instead of just sliding it down, you're rolling it. So I'm rolling it over like this, and I'm just going to bring it over my foot like that. And essentially, I've turned it into a short sock. However, it is prone to creeping up, because as you're walking and you have shoes on, it's going to creep up like that, okay? So that is one of the downsides, but that's the easy method. Now, the harder method is a little bit more difficult, but it's a little bit more effective. And believe it or not, I have like maybe 10 pairs of long socks, and excuse me, literally every pair of long socks has a hole in them, except for literally one sock of one pair. So this is my only long sock that doesn't have a hole in it. Just a little fun fact. So yes, you would usually see a hole in my socks, but this one doesn't. And it's a little bit chilly. I'm in my basement. It's a little bit chilly right now on my feet because I'm filming about 17 videos right now straight. And by the time I'm done, I'll be done 17. So I have double socks on my other foot. Anyways, that's random. But anyways, this is the other method. So the other method is going to be similar. You're going to roll it over and you're going to bring it down. But what you're going to do is you're going to continue bringing it forward. So I've rolled it over. Let me show that again a little bit slower. So instead of sliding it down, I'm rolling it. Look, I'm rolling the sock out, okay? I'm rolling the sock out and I'm going over my foot, and I'm going to continue to bring it forward, and you're just going to continue to go like you're literally going to expose the heel of your foot. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take all this extra sock over here, and I'm going to stretch it out. And what I want to do is essentially I want to stretch it out so that one part of the sock goes over my toe. So look, I'm re-rolling it back now. I'm re-rolling it back. One part's going over my toe, and I'm going to stretch the other part of the sock to go over my heel. And look at that. You can stretch it to fix it like that. Okay? So now essentially, the width of the sock that was up here, if you can imagine that, is now stretched like this. Right over here, as you can see, and part of the sock is going over my toe. So essentially, if you have socks that have a really big width, at the top of them, then you're going to be okay, and you can get a sock like this. This is a little bit better for staying in place for a longer period of time. And that's it. Once again, just to show you a fast version of the second method, because that was a little bit slow. Okay, once again, I have it all the way rolled up properly as a long sock. I'm going to roll it out like this, continue pulling it out until my heel is exposed. Then I'm going to bring it back and I'm going to roll it back. And I'm going to roll it back so that it goes over my toes over here. And I'm going to stretch it so that it goes over my heel as well. Just like that. Just give me a second here. Once it goes over your heel, you're good to go. You got to give it a good stretch. There we go. This should be a little bit better. You got to give it a good stretch depending on the sock. And that's it. Obviously, you can straighten it out. It's a little bit on an angle, but I would straighten it out properly. And what I have here is a long sock turned into a short sock. Really useful, and that's essentially it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.